We're now talking to Luciano Froes, who is Senior Vice President of Marketing at Embraer Executive Aircraft. Thank you very much for talking with me this morning.
Thank you, Addison.
So I think what we should start off with here is that your company in the past decade, it's really impressive. Lots of programs and all on time and on budget. And you've delivered bestsellers in the business. How did you manage to do this?
So it really comes down to a few important pillars for us. One is certainly listening to the customer and understanding the market requirements. So when we started our efforts in executive aviation back in 2000 with the legacy program, it really allowed us to start to build an understanding of that market segment, be exposed to those customers, and of course, again, capturing a lot of information and market requirements and understanding the profile of the products and the use of the aircraft for them. In 2005, we really felt very confident that we could bring something unique and differentiated to that space. And that's when we really launched our division for the executive jets market, fully dedicated organization, and we launched our vision to be a major player in this space, as well as brought our first clean sheet programs, the Phenom 100 and 300. And so really it took understanding the market, really listening and seeing where we could bring value. And coupled with that, certainly our engineering capabilities to really be able to translate those requirements into a tangible product that could be unique and differentiated in time and on budget, right? So it really was a combination of our engineering technological capability with the customer requirement, customer mindset, focus, to add value on all given opportunities, and we've really stayed the course throughout all of the let's say 10 years plus that we've been in this market, and really committed and staying on track to all the programs that we've launched. We've brought 4 clean sheet design programs to this market space in that short period of time. The legacy 450 and 500, of course, followed the Phenom 100 and 300 programs that I mentioned. And we've delivered over 1,000 business jets in this category. The Phenom 300 is the most delivered business jet for the last 3 years in a row. Our customer support has been ranked top by various industry third-party surveys that talk directly to the customers. And again, these are all things that we're very proud of course, but things that we track and stay very much focused to deliver on those commitments.
So obviously Embraer has deep roots in Brazil, but you've decided to move the production to the US of the Phenom. Can you tell us a little bit about why the US and what's all that about?
Absolutely. So, Addison, the important thing is for us to be close to our customers, right? And if we look at the executive jets market, over 50% of that market is based here in North America. So, in line with that, we really thought it would be important to expand our presence in the U.S. because we've really been here for over 35 years already. And but also building something that would be a platform that would allow our customers in the executive jet space to learn more about Embraer, to visit us, to view our production process and our final assembly process, as well as design and spec out their airplanes and take delivery of those airplanes all here in North America is very important for us, and it's a very critical platform. It allows us that proximity to the customers, right? Again, very much tied to what to the values and fundamental strategy that we just discussed.
Okay, so if we look in the future, what can we expect from Embraer? Will you guys be doing more design and development in Florida?
We recently just celebrated the ribbon cutting and the opening of our Legacy 450 and 500 final assembly here. So now we are already doing all of the Phenom 100 and 300s out of our Melbourne facility in terms of final assembly and delivery. And we're also, again, doing the Legacy 450 and 500 both out of San Jose in Brazil as well as here in Melbourne. So that's going to add another 600 jobs over the next few years for us here in Melbourne. and we have plenty of land here, of course, to continue to grow. We have our engineering and technology center, which is our very first R&D facility here in the United States, and the very first outside of Brazil. So we're very excited again to continue to grow in North America.
Finally, if we look, say, 5 to 10 years from now, how do you guys see the business jet market? Is there room for another VLJ? You know, you've got the 100, 300. Is there anything else that one could look for?
Of course, we continue to look at our product portfolio and see how we can make sure that we're competitive and adding value in all of the different segments. But right now, we've been, again, probably the most aggressive in bringing purpose-built clean sheet platforms to this market space in such a short period of time. Our focus really now is in consolidating and building upon what we've already designed and launched. So consolidating further on the customer experience, building on that, and really making sure that we're delivering not only the best product and support, but the best overall experience to our customers. So that's really where our near-term focus is. But of course, we continue to look at future opportunities as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.